We're going to have a look how this toolkit looks like. Maddox. Here's the manual. And there's the pieces. And as you can see, they are heavy and massive. All kinds of adapters. And here are 3 of those pieces in here. Look at this stuff here. Very nice. And then here the clamp, of course. Massive. Alright, let's see how this goes when we try it here on this ball joint to get this out of the arm of the car and see if that is anything good. So you use that tool to just push this up a little bit, like by this much, and then you can take this piece out, this piece of the ball joint, and you see where it's not rusted. That's the area where it's set in. Alright, you can see how loose the ball joint is here. It falls on its own over, right? That means it's worn out. And then here and here, we have a nice clean area, and that's where we push the new one in. Very easy with that tool.